If your business is not showing in the top 3 results on Google Maps, you are losing customers every single day. Because when someone searches for salon near me, dentist near me, or digital marketing agency near me, they click from the top 3 listings, not page 2. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to rank your business number 1 on Google Maps using proven local SEO strategies. No paid ads, no fake tricks, only real sustainable growth. Let's start. First, open your Google Business Profile dashboard. Your ranking depends heavily on profile completeness and accuracy. Choose the most relevant primary category, not broad, not random. If you're a salon, choose hair salon, not beauty services. Your primary category influences ranking heavily. Add all relevant secondary services. For example, hair spa, makeup artist, bridal makeup, hair coloring. More relevant categories equals more keyword coverage. Write a natural description, including main service, location name, unique selling point. Avoid keyword stuffing. Keep it professional and readable. Google loves active profiles. Upload. Interior photos, exterior photos, team photos, before-after results, service photos. Rename image files before uploading. Example, Best Hair Salon Noida Sector 18. Geotagging helps slightly, but consistency helps more. Upload 2 to 3 images every week. Active profile equals higher trust equals better ranking. Your business information must be exactly the same everywhere. Create listings on Just Dial, Suleika, IndiaMart, Yelp, Facebook Business, industry-specific directories. If your phone number is different on one site, it confuses Google. Consistency builds authority. Reviews are a game changer. Google Maps ranking depends on number of reviews, review frequency, keywords inside reviews, owner replies. After every satisfied customer, send a simple WhatsApp message. Thank you for visiting us. It would mean a lot if you could share your experience here. Never buy fake reviews. Instead, encourage real customers to mention services naturally. That helps keyword relevance. And always reply to every review professionally. Most businesses ignore this section. Add every service individually. Write small descriptions including keywords and location naturally. More data equals more relevance equals better ranking signals. Use Google Posts. Post. Offers, tips, client results, before/after announcements. This shows Google that your business is active. Inactive profile equals slow ranking. Active profile equals growth. If you have a website, make sure your NAP is same as Google profile. Add Google Map embed. Create location-based landing pages. Add schema markup. Google Maps ranking and website SEO work together. Check. Search queries, calls, direction requests, profile views. Improve based on what is working. Ranking is not one-time work. It's consistency plus optimization. Ranking number 1 on Google Maps is not luck. It's proper optimization, review strategy, citation consistency, regular activity. If you implement these steps properly, you'll start seeing improvement within weeks. If you want experts to handle your Google Maps ranking professionally, Digital Dhanu helps local businesses rank higher, generate more calls, get real leads, increase revenue without ads. We don't promise fake guarantees. We build real local authority. If you're serious about growing your business, check the link in the description and book a consultation. Let's grow your business the right way.